I'm watching K-Tech's video.
Oh, nice.
How to remove a supercharger.
Yeah, the quality's good. The editing's good too. Good job, Jason. So you want to answer some questions?
No!
We still sitting down to doing that? Or?
He still wants to do this sit down like everybody in a certain hours wants to do with the damn door. He just wants to do this stupid sit down where everybody sits down and answers questions like we're in The View.
Yeah, and once we finish, you'll thank me because it'll be good.
No, my way's hilarious.
We'll do it tomorrow morning. Your f***ing way isn't my way, so it doesn't matter.
That's why it's good. My way's funny.
Yeah, says your face.
They're natural responses. Like Eric's working and I'm asking him a question and he gives a natural response. Your way's gonna be like,
correct, but then we can't talk to each other when Eric says some fucking dumb comment about something and then I give him or
yeah, but then it's gonna go on for like 40 minutes of you talking about how gay my car is. We don't
That's why we're not gonna answer any questions about your car.
We don't have time for that.
Exactly. So we're not gonna answer any questions about your car. Besides the 400 people asking when I'm gonna tune it. Never.
See, was that so hard? You just answered a question. Look at that.
Yep.
And you weren't sitting around the
Someone said if we get to 150,000 subscribers, will you tune it?
Yeah.
I was like, maybe.
If we get to 1 million, you still probably wouldn't do it.
Yeah, I will for then.
For 1 million?
Yeah, I'll just buy your car and burn it to the ground.
Dude, come on. If we get to 1 million, then I can afford a Holly Dominator, and then you'll tune it.
If we get to 1 million, why would that?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Why would that defer how much you make?
I know,
Because once we get to there, then I can ask for a raise.
I was just gonna say that.
So you're not gonna ask for a raise until we get to 1 million?
No, I didn't say that. It was more justified.
I was gonna say that's a deal.
It would just be a lot more justified. Good job, buddy. You almost called out. Look at you.
I didn't almost call out. I was going to the doctors. I had to go to the doctors this morning.
Yeah.
Blowing up my Instagram and saying, telling everybody I'm sick.
You were sick. I already put on camera that you weren't here.
Well, I am, aren't I?
I know, you came in 4 hours later, so I guess you're here half a day. And still, in a half a day's work, you still finished up a heads cam. Good job.
I didn't finish it. I still gotta put the exhaust on. That'd be done. Which can easily be done.
Yeah. You pretty much did the main part. It's come bug Tyler. I felt like I haven't bugged you lately.
I know, it's so nice. So cool.
So nice. It's so weird seeing a C5 in the shop.
Yeah.
I know we're gonna start. Eric and I were just talking. We're gonna start the Procharger on that soon.
Cool.
Yeah, excited. So what are you doing on this?
Ice tank.
Ice tank. Okay.
Had a shifter. It's already in it.
We just did E85 too, right?
Yeah.
Flex wheel sensor. Nice.
Did that as well.
Yeah, this is the one that made really good power on pump gas. I'm excited to see what it'll make on E. So I hear we're gonna put the Chevelle on the dyno soon too.
So I heard.
Might even be this week. Maybe. We'll see. Well, you have fun with that.
Yeah. Be late.
What else is new?
Not much.
I'm just gonna start going along with it all.
I know.
So we just did heads cam on this one. Stock intake manifold. This one baseline.
I'm gonna be like Eric.
472.
Yep. Answer. I'll be like Eric. Yep.
So it should make around 6.
Yeah. Yeah, it did. I just did the first pull. I think it made 598. I'm getting old.
That's
yeah.
really, really good, actually.
If you want to go look.
I'll go look. Yeah, 598.
Good torque too, 528.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't see anything.
Five.
I was wondering what smelled like fresh headers, and then
It'll be a
I
car
saw
that just got headers.
Well, I knew it wasn't this because this is just in for a turn. Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Okay.
That's all done in this thing.
I don't know. I think just headers and a blower.
Oh. Yeah.
I don't know what blower, maybe a Maggie?
Oh, it does look like a Maggie. Nice.
That's my guess. I didn't even look at it.
I'll go look at it for you.
We could probably do one of our ZL1 5-inch intakes on this.
Could we?
It would probably work. Just saying. Just saying.
Okay.
Alright, go.
I'm downloading.
A lot, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Find another hockey puck here. Yeah, a lot. It's getting a lot. A lot of work. It starts today.
That's what I think of you.
Yeah. Pretty exciting.
So F1A-94. We doing no heads, right? Just cam.
Yeah, I believe so.
Stock heads, cam.
Blower, meth, Procharger,
Fuel
fuel
system.
system.
This is a manual, so this will probably make a little bit more.
Yeah. As good as I can get them.
Oh, you did do that? Oh, they're much further in, yeah. What exhaust is it anyways?
Couldn't tell you. Couldn't tell you.
Yeah, looks good. Much better.
Yeah, much better. Much better than it was. Yeah, this thing is ready for the dyno.
Sweet. Yeah, about time you did something.
Yeah, I'm wiping it down so I can put some fender wrap on it. You must know.
I must now. So many C7 Zs in the shop.
It's a good thing.
It is a good thing. What's going on with this one?
Getting the fuel system.
Okay.
85.
Nice.
The manifold for the Procharger was powder coated black. It was the polished or.
Oh, this had a
uncoated or
polish
whatever.
one on it?
Yeah, either polished or uncoated. I can't remember.
Okay.
But it got powder coated.
Nice.
So got to make a red inlay for that.
Nice. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So on our fuel systems, what do we, you want to kind of describe what we do? You don't have to say exactly, but. So we don't take the tanks down. Like,
No, we don't take tanks down. We just drill tap a hole, 2 holes, one for the sender, one for the return line. Tank will, or the pump will mount in here, run your lines in through here so you don't see them. They'll come up top and go into the regulator and add the sensor and go to the fuel rail and good to go.
So you don't have to drop all the tank and the trans and all that good stuff.
Nope.
Plus it's easier to access the pumps because they're right there.
Yep.
Makes it nice.
Something like this. Fancy little bracket. Up in there. Somewhere in there like this once it's all said and done. Kind of be up in there like that.
And then the wheel cover obviously goes back on.
Yep, wheel cover goes back on, wheel goes on. It's kind of tucked up out of the way. And
Never
works well.
Never see it.
Nope.
Nice. Dude, I found a new favorite.
Orange?
No.
Yeah, peach. I've been drinking that for a while.
Peach Rehab.
Yeah, I know.
I've never seen this.
They've had, wasn't I drinking peach rehabs? I've been drinking, dude,
They've had it for a while.
let me just tell you this. I started
never had
drinking
one.
peach rehabs before I even started working here, so that's 2.5 years.
I've never had one.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
yeah, I know.
Dude.
They just, the raspberry's the newest.
I don't like the raspberry.
Yeah, neither do I.
This is amazing.
Yeah,
Oh, it gives me my like peach tea fix
Yeah.
and my caffeine fix.
they've had those for a while.
Well, I got everything here. It's getting Procharger. That has a Procharger. This is getting a Procharger. That's got a Procharger. Fran needs a Procharger. My mom's got a Procharger, exactly.
Eric, don't talk about people's mothers.
Hilarious.
Well, it's his mom talking. That's different.
I raised you better, Eric.
Can't wait until my mom comes in here one day to like visit and smacks the shit out of you.
As long as I can get it on film, that would be great. It would be kind of funny. I would totally make the caption. Eric's mom smacked Steve in the face. That would be hilarious.
Probably gained us like 100,000 subscribers.
It would go viral. That would be a viral clip. Dude, how are you not done already?
How am I not done a car that I just started yesterday that usually takes a week or so on a full build?
Yeah, exactly. Why are you not done already?
Because it's only day 2.
Why isn't the new cam in?
Because you've been down here f***ing bugging me the whole time, that's why. Can we have like a f***ing RPM fight day or something?
You're getting the big sumo suits.
RPM Fight Club.
Yeah, should we bring in like the big boxing?
Like boxing gloves, big sumo suits. Yeah.
Well, we can't all fight, Steve.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. We'll give Steve no gloves.
That would be pretty awesome.
It's not.
Put him in the backfield and f***ing dress him up. Yeah.
You would like to dress me up.
suits and let Zeus after him.
You would like to.
Yeah. Junk. I'll tell you one thing though, man. I'm glad I got that medicine. The Magnuson? I just feel like so much. My voice, I don't know if you can tell, I actually have like my voice back.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Where's that can of gas?
Dude.